One thing we can all agree on is that preparing tax returns is a pain and costs a bunch. Ever wonder why we need to? Doesn't the government know everything anyway? With the W-2s, 1099s, 1098s reporting our salaries, interest, dividends, capital gains, mortgage interest payments, etc., etc. My accountant charges me a bundle to prepare my tax return. Then, half the time, the government sends me a notice anyway saying we got it wrong, enclosing either a bill or a refund check. So why can't they just send me a bill or refund in the first place? Well, it turns out they can, and 30 other countries do just that. Taxpayers with simple returns could automatically receive a refund or a bill. Taxpayers with more complicated returns could accept these or file a return with corrections. In fact, that was proposed by both Reagan and Obama. Talk about bipartisanship. But it was killed each time by the tax preparer lobby, since they'd lose about $2 billion in revenue. Why were the bills killed? It's just another example showing that government works for special interest lobbyists, not for the voters. Sure, we voters pay their salaries with taxes, but their campaign expenses, which can be 50 times higher than their salaries, are paid for by lobbyists. There are two obvious solutions to this. One is public financing of campaigns, so they work for us, not lobbyists. I know you don't want your tax dollars going to a candidate of the other party, but guess what? It would save you a lot more money. The other solution is a citizen PAC to provide campaign money to politicians so they don't have to turn to lobbyists for money. Govern for California is an example of a state citizen PAC. A hybrid approach is the PAC called End Citizens United, which provides money to support candidates who are in favor of campaign finance reform. Links to both can be found in the description of this video. Remember, it's not a matter of whether politicians get the money. It's a question of who pays them and thus who they really work for.